The state senator who was arrested earlier this year after scuffling with Capitol staffers today asked a magistrate court judge to bring criminal charges against one of those men today. Fox 5's Deidre Dukes is live at the Fulton County Courthouse with what happened at today's hearing. Deidre?
And it was a disappointing outcome for Senator Moore, a judge today denying his request, but the senator vows it is not over. He says he will continue to pursue charges in the case. Video of January's violent confrontation between Republican State Senator Colton Moore and Capitol staffers was played in the courtroom.
When I was pushed back into the wall.
The senator testified during Friday's hearing. He asked a Fulton County magistrate judge to bring assault charges against Randall Williams, who serves as general counsel for House Speaker John Burns. Moore maintained Williams assaulted the senator, grabbing him and throwing him to the ground, leaving him with a serious hand injury. All to prevent the senator, who was barred from the House by Speaker Burns last year, from entering the chamber for Governor Kemp's State of the State address. Williams' attorneys argued Moore's social media posts the day before the incident and his actions the day of proved he was the aggressor.
And so we're disappointed that the individual who assaulted Senator Moore in the Capitol was not held accountable today.
After hearing testimony from Moore, his fiancée, Capitol Police, and state troopers who were on hand that day, the judge denied the senator's application for a criminal warrant.
We hope that in the future these types of disputes can be handled in a civil way. We don't need to find ourselves here in a criminal warrant application because of political disputes that may occur underneath the gold dome.
Moore remained defiant as he left the courthouse.
I'm a bit depressed and disappointed. I walked out of the courtroom thinking, where will I find justice?
And as Moore now weighs his next move, he still faces charges in connection with the January incident. At the Fulton County Courthouse, Deidre Dukes, Fox 5 News.
All right, we'll see what happens. Deidre, thanks.